Craig, I need to borrow your microwave.
My microwave?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, kings and queens? It's Theo.
And it say,
man, we got an edition of Freestyle Friday.
Freestyle Friday.
I know I was throwing it out of my mouth. She like, nigga, I just told you. You really gonna take it? My bad, man. But we got BKNOTT and JASEN, man. If y'all don't know, BKNOTT was on that last one, bro, doing the King to Kill song. Now,
yeah.
I'm telling you, if y'all ain't check out that music video, y'all need to, cause that shit was fire. That shit actually brought us 90 vibes and stuff, man. Vibes. They had a whole bunch of orange soda. They paid. You gotta. I don't give a fuck if you paid $1 for orange, 2-liter orange soda. You should have seen how much orange soda they had.
Like Crush, so you know that's like the good kind.
Oh shit! See, I didn't even notice that the whole time. Like, they really got orange soda. But this time, man, this was Bird's Eye View, man. So we gonna do another song of theirs.
Yep.
Of theirs.
And the video that we were just talking about is actually in our playlist called The Artist Way. So if you guys want to check it out, you can while Theo's getting prepared. You ready, baby?
Let's get it. I'm saying, let's get it. Bro, look crazy as shit. He look.
Oh, he's touching his third eye.
I know, like, oh, well, I ain't noticing like that.
I think I lost my heart. I run with lions and I swim with sharks. I regain my mind with my third eye. Mixed emotions look like tie-dye. On one hand, I'm like, why try? I remind myself that I'm gon' die. I'ma do this shit till I'm filthy rich. But even then, a nigga still won't quit. With the license, you can't match my drive. A nigga dead ass till I ain't alive. I just left the board and almost didn't survive. They niggas flatline, they need to be revived. I cannot fuck with you. I can't take a trip with you. I'll move.
Pause. Visuals are crazy.
Yeah.
Split screen? What?
Yeah.
What? For real.
Like, it adds to the spookiness of it.
Hell yeah.
And I know he just being real and everything, but man, yeah, man.
It's pretty dope. And then, like, you know, what he's talking about is true.
Yeah.
It's very true. I like it so far. I'll go ahead and hit play.
I need to take it off low power mode.
Well, you can go ahead.
Oh, yeah, let me hit play. My bad. Let's go.
Smoking that residue. Changing my fucking view. This nigga BKNOTT though. This nigga BKNOTT still on third eye shit. Near this bird's eye view. Watch them quote the words I spit. Non-believers be the worst like you.
Wait. Don't he sound like he like, I don't know. I like the way he slurred that, man.
We don't know the words.
Yeah, I know. But that
shit. He said BKNOTT something on third eye view. Third eye view?
Bird's eye view.
Bird's eye view?
So, see, I don't even know. I think BKNOTT on 3rd Street, Bird's. I don't know. See,
that sounds more accurate.
But, yeah, I like the way he sound saying that shit, man. That's what I'm saying.
This nigga BKNOTT though. This nigga BKNOTT still on third eye shit. Near this bird's eye view. Watch them quote the words I spit. Non-believers be the worst like you. BKNOTT still on third eye shit. Like nigga, this bird's eye view. Watch them quote the words I spit. Non-believers be the worst like you. Miles of talk, I need to spark them off. JASEN views, you see him taking off. I got a loft in the sky as a trip high, right on cloud 9 next to Elm Street. By the gates, a nigga.
That's a dream,
right? Soul leaf and there's a heartbeat. I just eat the seed and watch that shit grow. This nigga BKNOTT though. This nigga BKNOTT still on third. Non-believers be the worst like you.
BKNOTT
Still on third.
Yeah.
Like nigga, this bird's eye view. Watch them quote the words I spit. Non-believers be the worst like you.
At least he ain't jump.
Right?
Hey, y'all like, comment, subscribe, let us know what y'all thought of BKNOTT and JASEN's Bird Eye View, man.
Yeah, that shit was pretty good.
Yeah, I like and like you already said, I know we sound like fucking parrots and shit like that. I fucking like the visual. I like the split screen of it all, man. I like to see the cameraman doing his work while, you know, BKNOTT and JASEN over here. Yeah, shoot, man. Hey, you got a loft in the sky? You know, cloud 9 next to Elm Street?
No.
You said no.
I would say, but just like you said, I love the visuals. I love the lyrics also, and I definitely want to see more from them because I like BKNOTT a lot from this video and the previous one.
Yeah, it's creative motherfucker.
Right. He seems like he's going to be a really good artist. I hope he's able to go mainstream and keep doing what he's doing. And I hope JASEN goes mainstream too. So we wish nothing but the best to y'all.
I don't want to sound like I'm, just trying to, make my way in there. But like, BKNOTT, I'm serious, man. I play sax. Man, I played sax with FAMU. I played.
Look at the camera.
Oh my bad. No, I'm thinking. That's why I look around and I think. Goodness, man.
It looks better. You try to spit your shot for you to look at the camera.
Shoot my shot.
Shoot
I played saxophone for FAMU. We played in the Super Bowl. I'm just saying, man. Shoot, I was drum major at my school, man, my high school. Shoot. Middle school, I was the first person to complete all 85 songs 100% perfect, got all the trophies. You ask everybody, man, put me on the song, man. I play sax, I'll be on the thing, man. Shoot, I ain't playing. Let me do it. Let me do it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, let us know what y'all thought about the video. We'll see you guys later. Hey, check out that Keenan and Kel song too, man. I'm telling you, you won't be upset.
Bye, y'all.
Peace.